Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC and the MXS-C. And I just realized I never flew this on a 3S, but I got one now, so let's see what it can do. It's plenty capable, lots of fun on 2S, but the electronics should take the 3S. So let's see what harm we can do with it. Let's get it in the air. Okay, things are definitely wiggling. Oh, I need to get rid of those wheel pants. And yeah, I know I can hand launch this, but I'd rather have both my hands on the sticks of the radio. Well, certainly snappier. Right around half throttle. So I'll probably get a lot better flight times on 3S. Let's see, full throttle. Ooh. Yes, she moves. Man, this is so fantastic. And this is the backyard series, so it's the smaller one. I guess they have larger ones as well. Plus, I really like an even smaller one. I think Kitty has a smaller one ready to fly. I have a couple of their planes. They're not bad. I think it wasn't that expensive. Let's see, can I still knife edge? Do I still know how to? Not really. I don't think I ever did. Okay, let's go to mid rates. Even more fun. High rates. Obviously higher. Yeah, well, best rates in Expo are your thumbs, if I'll be honest. Ooh. Might be a touch nose heavy, although I checked the CG and it should have been just right, but I usually fly this on 2S. Of course, that battery is a lot lighter. Yeah, I'm not liking low rates. Come on, get closer. Hover with the crows. Hi, crows. Miss me? Want to play some chase? Probably outrun this. Let's see, can it fly like a normal plane? Oh, absolutely. Okay, that's full throttle. That's not exceptionally fast on 3S either. Man, this is such good practice. And this thing handles just like a dream. Like, there's no rules. No gravity. And you know, I'm just smashing sticks now. I have an idea of what I want it to do, but it's not like a routine or certain maneuver or anything like that. Just having fun with it, and I think that's what it's all about, having fun. I should really take this out more often. like every time I go fly. Oh, what fun it is to fly flat for me today. Hey! Hi, Crow. Bye, Crow. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, knife edging. I'll try some knife edge. Nah, not really. Too much rudder. I'm used to trying a knife edge with my dinky UMX planes. Tiny control surfaces. Okay, so there's 5 minutes. I have a feeling I can get 6, 7 out of this. Ooh, that was a bit confusing. Oh, no I can't. It's losing power. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Come on. Let's get it closer. Yeah, touchdown. Okay, so that was 5 minutes 45. Yeah, I was throttle happy. Woo, what a rush. Man, I love this thing. It's absolutely fantastic. Whew. Lots of fun. So there it is, RC Factory / Twisted Hobbies MXS-C. That's a mouthful. You see here, backyard series, and yeah, you could fly this in really small spaces. Once you get a hang of it, you can really. I know there's people that fly these in their living room. I wouldn't dare that. But whew, such fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.